In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not working on your Windows 11 laptop. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. From the left side, select Privacy and Security, then scroll down and click on Camera. Here, make sure that camera access is turned on. Also check that Let Apps Access Your Camera is enabled. After that, scroll down and make sure the apps you want to use, such as Microsoft Teams, have camera access turned on. If the camera is still not working, try the next method. Click on the search box and type Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, find the Cameras section and click the arrow to expand it. Right-click on your camera driver and select Uninstall Device, then confirm by clicking Uninstall. After that, click Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. This will automatically reinstall the camera driver. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the camera not working issue in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.